Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple Windows shortcuts for your PC and laptop without wasting any time. Let's get started. First shortcut is about copy, cut and paste. So here you can see I write a code over here, and if you just want to copy it, just simply click on it 2 times. Simply press Ctrl plus C. You simply copy it. Or if you want to cut it right now, you just need to simply click or press the Ctrl plus X. You can see it's now cut. And if you just want to paste it into here as well, simply press the Ctrl key plus V, and you can see your text is pasted into your notepad. It simply uses in everywhere, every app, so you can use it in Word, Excel, Notepad, any of other apps. You can do this simply as well. The next shortcut is about switch between windows. If you just press Alt plus Tab, you can see I opened this notepad another time. If you just want to see it, like if you press the Alt and Tab all together, you can see there are 4 apps is running, and if you just simply release the tab, it will open this app. And now if you just press the Alt and Tab another time, it will open another app for you that is running into my background. So if you just simply press Alt plus Tab, it will help you to switching between Windows apps. So yeah, it's very easy, right? The third one is a lifesaver, snapping windows. Basically, you can see I run a lot of programs over here, and you can see that this CapCut is running into my background. So what I will going to do, I'll press the Windows key and press the left arrow. You can see this CapCut is now in the left side. And if you want to drag another tab into your right side, it will help you to do the multitasking you want to do into your Windows. What you need to do, if you just want to make it into the right side, simply press the Windows key and the right arrow. It will come over into the right side of your Windows splits. Yeah, very handy, right? And now we will going for the hidden gem. What we will going to do, show the desktop instantly. If you just opened any app, like I'm going to open this PC, and you are working a lot on some topics but you want to go directly into your desktop, simply press the Windows key and D. It will automatically redirect you to the desktop, and it's very simple, right? And now the last one, how are you going to shutting down your PC by using keyboard? Very simple. You just need to press Alt and F4 at the same time. You can see there will be a Windows pops up called shutdown Windows. So if you just simply click on enter, it will automatically turn off and shutting down your PC. Or if you want to cancel it, just simply you can change it by this. You can see there's a restart option, shutdown option, but if you click on tab, you can simply change. If you want to cancel it, you can do it by your keyboard as well. That's it. 5 simple Windows shortcuts to boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and share it with someone who could use these tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.